everybody doing? So I just wanted to give this quick update and an upload on the layout. I have to stop production for a day or two here. The heat's just too unbearable. Like, we've broken records here in Western Canada. Today they say it's going to be 44 C. That's Celsius, which is 120 degrees. It's 7 a.m. in the morning right now as I'm shooting this, and it's already 86 degrees right now. It's just been brutal. Like, I got every fan running, and I don't have AC in the house, but I do in the van. So I'm spending time in my van driving around, going to places. But I did get some paint on the layout yesterday, but the paint started to coagulate in the tray. It was so hot. But you can see I have the, it's called Woodland Green for the Valance and the Facia, and then Air Blue for the backdrop. It's super light, but even then it looks, very warm and blue with the LED lighting, but I really like it. Like the two colors match really well, and the woodland green will go nice with the trees. It'll help the trees pop more, and the light blue, like I say, will look good as a nice backdrop against building flats, etc. So yeah, I basically have a empty canvas here, just waiting to be modeled, right? And the next stage, of course, is going to be track risers, and also I now have a nice little place here for a table for a workbench where my paint is there right now. That's where I'm going to do my work now, just below, because there's lots of room under there. So things are looking pretty good. Yeah, few pinholes I got to fill here and there, and the seams look pretty good, even though the humidity's wreaking havoc on them. Sorry, with the shrinkage and the expansion. It's just horrible here up on the west coast, like the way wood expands and retracts, with the cold and the heat and the humid and the dry, So it's just the nature of the beast, I guess. But anyway, just thought I'd give you that quick little update. I'll be back at it very soon as this heat dome, they call it, or whatever, heat wave passes. Okay? So thanks all of you for tuning in, and I hope everything's going okay for you there, wherever you are. And happy modeling, happy summer, happy winter, even for those in Australia, I believe, right? I heard it's a winter there, but anyway. Okay,